Okay, what we're making here today is a yummy, cheesy casserole. We're just starting with our already cooked ground beef, added nacho cheese, my green chilies, and then 1 can of cream of chicken. I did the 98% fat-free to make it a little bit healthier. Make sure to really get all that out of the can. Okay, we're almost done here. I'm gonna grab my evaporated milk to make it extra creamy. And we're using the full cans of all of our ingredients. All right, give this a good mix. Ooh, this is gonna be such a yummy and creamy, cheesy, beefy sauce. It's gonna be so delicious, and when you see what we put this with, you're gonna wanna make this every week for your family. Okay, just give it a good mix. Make sure everything gets heated up nicely. Make sure all of your ingredients are mixed perfectly. Now, I know that the green chilies can be a little spicy, so if your family doesn't like spice, you can obviously skip out on those. All right, that looks great. Now we gotta season this baby up. So I'm gonna use some taco seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you want, but I like the taco seasoning. Just give it a nice little shake in there, get it nice and seasoned. You don't wanna be skimpy with the seasoning because this dish is gonna be so delicious with that taco seasoning. All right, this is already almost done. It's super quick. Just mix, 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 and it's gonna be ready. Ooh, look how creamy that looks. You just see those speckles of seasoning. You can see the green chilies. Yummy. Okay, I think that is perfect. Let's go ahead and turn off this stove. Okay, grab your beef cheese sauce. Just put that to the side. I grabbed my 13x9 pan. Grab some Doritos. Right on top, just like that. Make sure it's nice and spread it out. Ooh, these are gonna be so good. You can use regular tortilla chips if that's what you prefer, but I just love the Doritos. Now, it's time to use that beefy cheese sauce. Ooh, make sure you cover all of those Doritos. Ooh, okay. Doesn't that look so good? One last ingredient, and then this thing is ready for the oven. I have my Mexican blend cheese, and I'm just gonna put that right on top, just like that. Perfect. I used about 3/4 of the bag. Now I'm gonna pop this in the oven. It's set to 350, and it's just gonna be in there for like 15 minutes. Ooh, it just came out of the oven. I'm so excited to get a bite. Just a nice scoop of everything. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, perfect. Grab one of our Doritos and just dig in. Oh, that's a good bite.